there guys, this is the unboxing on Xbox 360 4GB memory. Elite, ready. Alright, how do we open this thing? What? Oh! What the hell? Wait, no panic. What the hell is going on? Çek!
Çekiyorum, ne yapıyorsun?
Bıçak getir ya! Wait!
Oğlum mal buradan.
Oh, it's right over here. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys, this is Urkudo7. You guys know me. I know you guys. I love you guys. You guys love me. What the hell? Look, guys, look. Wait. It's number 9 quantities. There's just 9 left, and this is the 9th ours. Better shut the hell up. Alright. Stop! Okay, now, guys, we just open it, I think, like this. Oh!
Stupid.
Alright. What the hell? What the hell is this? Oh, it's on. Start here. Komenzic ichi inicio. Okay. Alright, guys, this is the starting manual. Control shit. Alright. It is a, what the hell is this? Xbox Live. Flicks, friends, and fun. What the hell? To wireless freedom liberated in Lambrica. Okay. Don't miss out, save big. Okay, good for you. What the hell is this? It's nothing.
Ego vurmuyor. Kendim alayım dur.
Sağ, bunu ben sana aldım. Dur.
Mal. Köpek.
Stop. Okay. Oh, this is a black thing.
Like thing diyor.
What else we got in this box? Let's see.
Controller.
Wait. This is not a
No,
controller.
it's a charger.
Alright, wait.
Bag it. I told you.
Shut up! Ilhan! Stop! Okay, now this is the charger. Wait, it's a charger. Oh my god, here's the black controller. It's black.
I thought it was white.
Well, all white controllers are white, but... Oh my freaking god. Oh my god.
Parlıyor.
Woo! You want to change the controllers?
No.
Alright. I wish it comes with a battery. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
We'll find some batteries for y'all. Oh, the batteries are here! Duracell! You did a good job, Xbox.
Where's the rest?
Important information.
Yeah, who cares about the information, man?
But it's important, dude.
Who cares? Do it.
These are the... What is this? What the cable that goes with the Xbox Live thingy. This is the thing that you put on your TV, guys, or what is it, AV cable or something. Where the hell is the thing? Xbox Live shit.
Ne yaptınız? Çekin.
Dur be, ne buraya geliyorsun? Oraya girsene. Ne güzel bir unboxing. It's a really nice unboxing. I love this unboxing.
Çek deden gelmeden.
Why are you... Gelsene olur.
Salak gittiğimizi bilmesin işte.
Niye buraya giriyorsun? Oraya girmeyeceksin mi?
Ne oldu? Oraya gireceğim. Oraya koyuyorum arabayı ben.
Buyur. Gir içeri.
Çekil oradan.
Şey yazıyor. Burada bebek arabası ne yapıyor?
Stupidest unboxing ever. Eat your cupcake. Rezil olduk YouTube'a.
Vallahi. Tamam lan bitti.